Testing. Okay, he's almost here. He's walking up. Go ahead, band.
California to New York to Florida to Massachusetts, Colorado, Pennsylvania, and everywhere in between, and especially Texas. Letters like this one, read by one of our longtime ambassadors named Zaire. Zaire, go ahead.
Dear Marcus, I am here for you, and so are the rest of us. We are all wanting to help you in any way we can. We want the best for you. You have a great heart. You can do great things. Sincerely, Cayenne from Bushland High School.
We are thrilled to let you know that the high school student presenting your letters of support today is a former friend mail recipient who triumphed over horrible bullying, like you. Mia is one of our ambassadors now, sometimes writing letters to our project youths and always being an amazing upstander and role model. She is proof that things do and will get better. A tiny bit of history. See the Wish is an educational theater company since 2009. The Be a Friend project actually carries the message of one of our middle school musicals, the Speak Up, Reach Out, Be a Friend message of the musical we professionally produced last fall in New York and won 8 Broadway Role Awards. That musical is called It's Easy, the Friend Strong musical. Marcus, some of the professional actors from the show wanted to say or sing a few words for you.
Hi Marcus, I'm Jake and I play Hank and it's easy. You can change the world, it's in your hands. It will be easy.
Hi Marcus, always be friend strong.
Doesn't matter what others do, stay strong and be kind.
Hi Marcus, I know you're going through some really hard times with bullying and stuff, and I just want you to know that I'm here for you, dude. And I know sometimes it gets really, really tough to face the bullies, but whenever they're mean to you, you gotta use it as energy. And I know it seems impossible, but one way to look at it is that your life will become exponentially better.
You're amazing, just the way you are. Stay strong, Marcus.
That was great. And now, the director and composer of It's Easy, also my co-founder and co-president at See the Wish, January Axelrad.
Hi Marcus, my name is January, and I want to tell you that I'm really sorry about the way you're being treated. It's really not right. But I also want you to know that there are kids all over the United States thinking about you, writing to you, to help you stay strong. Not just strong, friend strong.
Marcus, congratulations. Look around you. Everybody is here for you. I want to thank Bushland Middle School especially for holding this assembly and all their students, educators, and community leaders that participated, proving that kindness is a priority. Especially thank you Mrs. Lancaster, Bushland High School, and her FCCLA students who had masterminded this entire surprise event. Jared Carter from Westover Junior High in Amarillo and her students. Thank you to Mrs. Thorpe and her FCCLA students from the beautiful Lake Worth High School that traveled over 7 hours to get here and eventually had to travel those 7 hours back. Thank you so much for coming here all this way to celebrate Marcus. You have a lot of letters to read, Marcus. We believe in you.
It's easy. It's just a start. It's not the end. It's easy. Reach out your hand and be a friend. You can do your part. There's an easy way to start. Just lead with your heart. It will be easy.
If I could have someone from Lake Worth come on up to the stage.
Me and Jesse just looking down to the street. Let's surprise the catch for Christmas.
Marcus, if you could come on up here, please. We have something for you. Mia has a box of letters from all over the U.S. And so you'll have a lot of fun reading this. The entire thing is full of letters. There's 1,182 letters from New York to California, from Florida, Massachusetts, Connecticut, all over. And these are all to you from students showing encouragement and support and to let you know that they care about you. Thank you so much for coming.
Well, Marcus, we're from Lake Worth, and we wrote letters as well, which should be in the bin. And we also decided, well, our advisor decided to, get some rocks and paint them and, have pet rocks. These are my rocks. I did not make them, though I did adopt them, so I would like for you to take care of them, and we have so many more rocks for you to adopt. Thank you, Marcus, and be strong.
Thank you, everybody, for coming. We really appreciate it. Ms. Thorpe, did you have anything else to add? Grandmother is over here. Did you have something for grandmother? Okay, Linda, we have something for you, too.
Because without you,
we appreciate your support and writing every single time. We really appreciate that. It means more than you know to these students that are receiving these items. So appreciate it. So we driving the 7 hours and then again 7 hours back for this event. So thank you so much. Also, Marcus, we have some rocks that the 6th grade group has painted for you. And on the back of these rocks, there's a website people can go to. And on these rocks, you are supposed to hide them. And when people find them, they go to the Facebook page and they say where they found it. And then they pass on the same rock and they hide it somewhere else. And so we have some rocks to give you so that you can do that and get some rocks out there whenever you travel. Come to Amarillo, wherever you happen to go, just hide some rocks. Hide them in Hereford, wherever you happen to be.
Do you want me to stop it? You want me to stop it? Keep going. Okay. Someone give me one. I got a magic one. I got a what? Yay.
Really hot six screws that way.
What?
Really hot six screws that way.
No one takes it away.
No. They'll change one though. I got it.
Hey, Marcus and Linda, and Marcus Marcus. We all took time. Did anybody not get a bracelet? Did you get one?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Anybody not? How many of y'all bring